Gas tank, you're looking at 13.7 gallons. You already heard about the trunk. Now the engine, let's do the hood and check this power plant out. Good old S58. This engine is phenomenal. You can hear, baby, it's cooling off right now. It's 90 something degrees. Look at all the supports. Just rigidity in this car. With the S58, you got a 3-liter inline 6 24 valve. You got two mono scroll turbos on here. You're producing 453 horsepower at 6250 RPMs, 406 in torque, kicking in at 2650 RPMs. Now 0 to 60 on the stick is 4.1. I wonder how many of you guys have gotten that under 4 seconds. And then with the automatic, the M Steptronic automatic transmission, they're saying 3.90 to 60 from BMW. Hey, got a question for you guys. What 2 cars do you think Trish owned in the past that were manual transmissions? Come on, well, you'll find out later in the video, but yeah, she's owned 2 manuals in the past. I can't wait for you guys to hear what she's had. All right, let me close this up. But man, you've got they've got a active M differential in this because it is a rear wheel drive. So that really helps with traction between the, obviously both rear wheels. And then you've got a, what do you got? An adaptive M suspension on this too. So there's a lot of tweaks, a lot of adjustments you can do on this car that comes standard, obviously being part of the M family. But I definitely love the frozen look.